shit, holy shit. What is it? I fucked up so many times today. Holy shit, fucking hell. Fuck. Holy shit. 2 black woodpeckers just flew right in front of me. Holy shit. There it is. Shit. It's so difficult to film this. Yes. He landed in a tree. I can't see him. Wait a second. Yes, he's right there. I see him. Yes, dude. Black freaking woodpecker. Of course, some time ago I filmed one black woodpecker right in the middle of my backyard. I've got one pretty high dead tree in the middle of the backyard, and exactly there is where he landed. But I see him right there. Yes, dude! They're one of the world's, they're not the biggest, but one of the biggest woodpeckers in the world. I think definitely the biggest woodpecker of Europe. But for example, in America, North America, you've got the pileated woodpecker. That one is also really epic. What the absolute fuck is happening here? Fuck. What the fuck is happening? What the fuck is this? Sorry for all this swearing, but... There was something chasing the lapwing. I thought it was a kestrel. This bird seemed bigger than a kestrel. I thought I saw a bird of prey chasing that lapwing. Am I crazy? This was not another lapwing. This was definitely a bird of prey. I saw the wings, the shape of the wings was very sharp, not rounded like the lapwing. Holy fuck! I think this is him. Yeah. Oh fuck. What is it? Holy fuck. I can't. I filmed him. But I don't know if it's good enough. Every time I can't see shit because of the sun. And I have to use both hands. Holy fuck. Oh, there was a swallow. Oh, actually a swift. To be ready. I don't know what bird this is. This cannot be a kestrel. This one I think is way bigger. He's right there. He landed. How could I ever miss this? Fuck. He's on the ground. He's literally on the ground. Oh my, he's right there. What do I do? What the fuck do I do? Shit. I actually found the fucking kestrel. After a week of nothing. I just couldn't get him in front of the camera. Holy fuck, what the fuck? I can't see shit. Fuck, something amazing happened. What the fuck? I see him right there. Damn it. I cannot fuck this up. Here, he's right in front of me. Fuck. Where the fuck did he go? I think he landed. Yes, he landed. Yes. I got him. This is amazing. I'm swearing all the fucking time. But this is so stressful because I want this so bad. Where the hell is he? Oh, there's so many swallows. Wait a second. Oh, what the hell? He's right in front of me. I don't see him anymore. I see him all the way there. Is this him? No, it's a fucking crow. Man, I gotta tell you, I fucked up so many times today. I got so many opportunities, but I only got a few seconds of footage. But yeah, you know, I'll take it. I barely had the motivation to even get out of bed. I was like, should I just fuck it and just go back to sleep? But I refused. I still got up. And now, here we are. Black woodpecker, kestrel. Finally, I literally said to myself on my way here, let this be a lesson for me. To learn that you don't know what you will see. So just get the fuck into nature. Every morning. No matter how tired you feel or whatever you feel. Just get out there. And who knows what you'll see. Even though I fucked up so many times. He was sitting right there. On one of these perches. Let's go back to my little place here and maybe we'll see something. Holy fuck. European goldfinch. This is what you get when you go out there. Against your motivation. I was tired. I didn't have any good hope for this morning. Yet I still went out. Boom! European goldfinch. Kestrel, black woodpecker. Oh! This is cinematic stuff.